creation.
Come on, party, let's go
I'm a
party.
limbo girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your darling. You're my doll, rock and roll, feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky. You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours, you can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours.
Come on, party, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. There's a drop top coupe, said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, got me cuffed. Ain't nobody pay, all I need is love. I just wanna run away with you. I'm just hoping that you see and you know this. Can't stop with the way I've been falling. Fall back as I catch when you're falling. I just need to know you're mine when I'm calling. Girl, let me provide you need. Freaky girl under the sheets. But you love when things start slowing down. And know you got me big. There's a drop top coupe, said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, got me cuffed. Ain't nobody pay, all I need is love. I just wanna run away with you.
Matapos malaman ang resulta ng kanilang weekly task, pinangunahan na nga ni na Patrick at Dingdong ang pagharap-harap ng mga housemates para sa isang open forum.
Bilang isa sa mga nakakatanda, kailangan namin mag-voice out. So, ang main concern natin ngayong gabi is yung last night. Well, lahat tayo busy sa mga nangyayari. And siyempre, lahat tayo pagod, nag-iisip. And kagabi, siyempre, na-appreciate naman namin yung mga nagluluto, di ba? And concern sa atin na lahat nakakakain. Wrong timing lang din yung nangyari kagabi. Dahil I think hindi fair ang nangyaring pagkain kagabi. Hindi ko alam kung nag-guess nyo, pero didiretsuhin ko na yung about sa tocino. Well, kung matatandaan nyo, last time, nag-weekly budget, and lahat naman ng mga concerns natin, ang gusto natin, binigay naman, di ba? Well, may mga tao dito na, for example, si Jaren, hindi siya allowed kumain ng fish kasi allergic siya. Well, eto, naiintindihan ko yun. Ako din, personally, hindi rin ako kumakain ng ampalaya, pero dahil nasa loob tayo ng bahay ni Kuya, kailangan nating mag-adjust.
Because we are here, we just want to have you guys, lahat tayo, kayo ng